So I'm about to unbox this product right here. This is the Gear One by Hygear, and it's a smart fitness system for the home, and it uses resistance bands. And check this out. So this band right here, this red one, it's actually got Bluetooth connectivity. So it works with the app, and it'll show you a variety of different types of exercises you can do. So you hook this up to like your door frames, and I'll do that a little bit later. But all this data goes into the Hygear app, so you can actually get real-time feedback of your workouts, track them over time, and actually have empirical data showing just how strong you're getting, provided that you stick with it. Now, this same company also makes this. This is the High Rope. It's a smart jump rope. So I got both products at the same time. They both work with the same app. I'll check them out and let you know how it goes. But I'm about to unbox this and see what's inside and do the entire setup. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, it's kind of see-through a little bit. So that's nice. That's a nice packaging. Let's take this part off. These things are actually much thicker than I thought they would be before. This is some heavy-duty material. I'll put that down. There's the other one. There's the rest of the stuff inside. So these are your, I guess, the wrist and ankle straps. Everything is in a bag. So you can actually take this with you and travel pack. Put it in your suitcase. Take it with you on your vacations. I don't know how many people work out on their vacations. Some more straps. These are two handles. Nice grip on them. Material looks solid too. Another strap. Wow, this is an interesting setup. There's a, whoa, micro USB. Don't like to see this. I don't like to see micro USB. Well, that's nice. It's got a workout in progress. Just in case you hook this up into a door. And the manual, which I will definitely be reading, because this is not something you just want to try to figure out. You might as well take the time, set it up with the app, get everything up and running, and then try it out. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So here's everything outside of the box that you get with this Gear One smart fitness system. All of it actually will fit into this bag. So you can take it with you when you're traveling or on work trip, what have you. So it's pretty portable. The material looks pretty solid that I can see from right now. Like, this is some heavy duty bands here. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this user manual, download the app, get all that stuff set up right now, and then hook it up once I familiarize myself, and then we'll go ahead and test it.